are the source of my strength, my keeper, my redeemer. I will love you till my end. I will praise you forever. You are the source of my strength, my keeper, my redeemer. I'll love you till my end. I'll praise you forever. You are good. You are kind. And there is no